So the parts are all sandblasted, and there's the fork legs. They look awesome, I think. So in today's video I will fill this hole and also weld all of these and grind them down, and also maybe removing this. And yeah, this one is already masked up and ready for paint. And these are the parts that I'm going to paint in the same design as this one. All of these parts are going to get powder coated, most likely just black. And I'm not sure about these, if I will do it in the same as this one or make them in a better finish, and I can probably deliver them for anodizing. They would be nice to have anodized in purple, I think. So we'll see what I do with this. But for now, they are just on hold. I have to tackle all of this first. And yeah, I'm originally a welder, but my welder hasn't been used for quite some time, so we'll see if I'm a bit rusted or not. I just have to cut out this part right here and use this template to make the corners perfect. And yeah. Oh, it's been a while. I don't think I've been welding for yeah, like the past several years, I think. Oh, no leaks. This could probably bump up to 130, I think, AC. Yeah. So let's make this one first. Important to use your safety goggles whenever you're cutting. Someone will probably hack the shit out of me because I don't have the shield around here, but I've been using a grinder for probably like 10 years and I have never had any problems. So knock on wood. I'll just time-lapse the cutting of this one, and I'll see you back on the frame. So there. This one is going to fill this hole, and we're welding it shut. Sometimes I hate to work on aluminium because it gets so hot. And yeah. See if it will fit. Probably not. I have to grind it some more. Yeah, some fine tuning in the corners. Let's see. Turn around maybe. Oh, almost there. A little bit in this corner. There. That's pretty darn perfect. So then I will prep the area here, wash it, and we can do some welding. What do I use to clean with? I use something called red alcohol. It's pretty much just alcohol. That works well. Now I have to make this sit fairly flush. Probably I have to give it a tack in the corner. Maybe I have a... Let's see. Give it a tack in this corner, and yeah, looks good. Okay, I will put something up here so I can record the welding. I don't know how, but somehow. I think I will preheat this because it's somewhat a lot of aluminum to heat up with the TIG welder. Let's try this out. Or not. It's my old workshop where I had clamping tools and table. And I can take the other corner. Like so. And then I can take the holes. And this will probably not penetrate through because it's pretty thick aluminum, and if I beveled it properly it would, but yeah, as you can see there's little to no penetration. So, but this is the inside, this is covered anyways, so that doesn't bother me. It kind of does, but yeah, maybe I will fill the holes and grind it on the inside, so it will be nice. What do you think? Yeah. I almost forgot. There is a hole on the front here that also has to be welded. That's the hole for the yeah, it's like a wire that's coming up here that's holding the wires, but I don't need that. So, and yeah, I filled up the holes so I can grind them down. And yeah, also removing this because I don't need this. So yeah, let's grind this down so it will be flush, and yeah, also remove this and grind this. See ya. And there you can see the contour of the plate, but that won't be visible when painted, along with this hole. So yeah, I think that's it for the frame preparation. This one is ready for paint, but I am going to take this part first, and I made a little something the other day, like a small spray boot kind of deal. It's with the fan, so the overspray will be pulled into this filter, and I can hang my parts here and turn it around. It works kind of okay, to be honest. It doesn't get rid of all the dust, but probably like 80% of everything goes into here instead of all over here. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, and I will make a new one on the swing arm. And yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.